Crown Castle, with the ticker symbol CCI, is a real estate investment trust. However, it's one of only a few companies that has unique exposure to the cell phone tower network. The major mobile service providers, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, often don't build their own towers. Instead, companies like Crown Castle and American Tower build and own the towers, and then lease space on those towers to the providers. Since Crown Castle and the major network providers both use financing in order to develop their networks, and we're in a high interest rate environment, that's putting a lot of pressure on these stocks. Additionally, Crown Castle is one of the more expensive REITs out there, with a price to earnings ratio of 23.59. In this space, a company stock is considered expensive if it's over 18, so it is still highly valued even though it's been under a huge downtrend. As a long-term investment, I do think that network providers are going to continue building out their networks, particularly when we go from 5G to 6G. But even now, the United States still has very limited coverage, so the networks have to continue developing just to get 5G coverage. This means Crown Castle has a lot of really good long-term prospects for it. In addition, Crown Castle provides a really good dividend, with a yield of over 6% at these levels. Now, it's important to remember that you should never buy a company just for its dividend yield. It can easily destroy the yield in one bad day. Also, there are no promises that the company won't cut its dividend if it comes under financial trouble. So that's always something to keep in mind. Crown Castle sold off this week and triggered my next buy order, which went through on the 21st, buying 4.57% of my allocation at $93.37. This buy lowered my per share cost 2.4%, down to $129.95. And from here, I do have my next buy target above a level of support Crown Castle's seen in the past at $80.89. If Crown Castle is able to rally and see the highs that it saw earlier in 2023, I will start to take profits, with my next sell target at $132.81. Just like with every investment, it's important to never trust a bottom. Crown Castle could continue to come under selling pressure, and there are no promises that it will stop anytime soon. And because of that, risk management should always be every investor's top priority.